to our beautiful listing here in Turnberry, North, in beautiful Aventura, Florida. This 2-bedroom, 1,500 square foot model is absolutely amazing. Guys, this is a magnificent unit. This is like resort style living here at Turnberry. You have everything you can ask for. They have a cinema, marina, restaurants, everything. This home comes with such beautiful lighting, amazing layout. When I say everything has been remodeled and touched, I mean everything. Even behind the wall, new electric, new plumbing, all of it done. They spared no cost, it really has it all. You have an Italkraft designed Italian kitchen with Waterfall quartz countertops, counter-sized seating, and hidden storage underneath. You have beautiful KitchenAid appliances, in-wall ovens, beautiful finishes, guys, and all Italian hardware throughout. You have a large square footage in this. I said this is over 1,500 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. I'm gonna take you guys on the outside. It's one of my favorite parts, which is your beautiful outdoor view, guys. It gets no better than this when you're in beautiful sunny South Florida. You have great towers behind us like the Regala, the Porsche Design Tower. You have Golden Beach right below us, guys. You can't beat the view here. And if you're gonna live in South Florida, isn't this what it's really all about? Like I said, this is resort style living in the Turnberry North Tower. You have everything you can ask for. So I'm gonna take you guys into the master bedroom. I want you guys to check out this closet. One of my favorites. Check out this closet. Completely finished with everything you can ask for. Guys or women, you're gonna love this closet. You're also gonna love this master bathroom. Let me show you this, guys. So guys, this amazing bathroom has Italian quartz countertops that match your kitchen, a standing shower, and my favorite part of it all, guys, additional space and your washer and dryer in the back. Come on out, let me show you the second bedroom and bathroom. Views from every room in this house, guys. We're in the second bedroom. As you can see, you still have a beautiful view of the causeway, Porsche Design Tower, the Miami River. You have large closet space throughout this house. One thing I do like, a building built in the late 70s comes with tons of closet space. It's also done its entire 40-year certification, so you're ready to go. Special assessment has already been paid on this unit, guys, so you're only paying a low HOA fee of only $1,000 a month. When you think about the valley-only building, the marina, the restaurant, the tennis courts, the cinema, just to name a few, you have all the amenities you can ask for a very low price of just over $1,000. So we're asking $535,000 for this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath, over 1,500 square foot, beautiful apartment. It comes with 2 parking spaces via valet only, a marina, tennis courts, seawall, cinema, everything you can ask for. And guys, this view. I'll take you to my favorite part of the building right here. It is the marina. They have a brand new seawall, which was just included in the last special assessment that has been paid for by the owner already. So you do not have to worry about that cost. This is my favorite view of them all.
These beautiful intercoastal views standing by the edge of the dock, looking straight up at this magnificent building in Turnberry. Located on the 11th floor, the views are magnificent. This building features a residents-only pool area that includes a swimming pool with a bridge, jacuzzis, lounge chairs, and you guessed it, a restaurant for residents only. And check out this restaurant. It's a full kitchen for residents and their guests only. You can invite your friends and come and have lunch or dinner at this magnificent poolside and dockside restaurant.
cool feature that you don't really see out here anymore is a bridge over the swimming pool that leads you right to the hot tub.
Thank you, Danny. And if that wasn't enough, check it out. We have private tennis courts located here at Turnberry. Contact us, the listing team, 954-342-6180.